What's going on, guys? Bob Buskirk here again at ThinkComputers, and today we're taking a look at a keyboard from Logitech. It's their wireless Illuminated K800, and just like the name says, it's wireless and it's illuminated. So let's just go ahead and take a look and open it up. Alrighty, so taking a look at the box, it lets us know that it has automatic backlighting that you can adjust, comfortably rounded durable keys, fast and easy charging through the micro USB cable. So I'm guessing it doesn't have a charging dock or a charging station like a lot of wireless keyboards. It also shows us the backlighting and the mini USB adapter right there. Now let's go ahead and turn it over, and again it gives you an overview and just an overview of a lot of the features, but let's just go ahead and open it up here. And as we take it out, it comes in this nice black box here. Take it out. You can see the actual keyboard itself right there. So we'll go ahead and take that out. Here. Let's see what else we have. We have the USB adapter here, which is extremely small, as you can see. Very, very, very small. It's meant to stay in your laptop or your PC, so that when you're traveling or if you're taking your PC to a LAN party, it's not going to fall out. It's going to stay right in there. So make sure you don't lose this. It's very, very small. Also in here we have, which looks like software or something, user's guide maybe. It's like in here we have, it has your getting started guide, features guide, and important information. I think that's it. So you have all that stuff in there. Moving on, you have a USB cable, which I'm guessing this is the charging cable, the mini USB, regular USB, and let's see what else we have in here. We also have, this is a USB extension cable for the actual adapter. So you can plug your adapter into here and connect it to your USB, which it might be easier for some people, especially desktop users. So you have that stuff. Now let's take a closer look at the keyboard itself. Get it out of here. Alright, so the keyboard looks very, very nice. I'm going to show you how thin it is. Very thin keyboard. Very, very nice design. Full keyboard layout. So you have your full number pad and everything like that. You have all of your function keys up here. Looks like you have a battery level indicator right there. On and off button right there. We can take this off right here, so you can see it is how how it normally looks. The keys, they feel very, very nice. Maybe not as nice as the Lenovo Edge, which I currently use right now. They feel a little more, I don't know, plasticky or something like that. They do have good feedback. Looks like this is going to be very, very good for typing. That's why I use the Lenovo Edge, is because it's great for typing. You have your caps locks has this indented a little bit, which we see a lot on keyboards. But overall, it's a very, very good design. Let's flip it over here, and it does have this clear accent right here on all around it. I'm not sure if that lights up, but we're gonna see here. On the back here, you can just see you have two simple feet that pop up just like that, and then you have these rubber feet down here that will keep it in place. So you can have it right here like that on an angle. Really simple to use. As I said, it's just just a normal keyboard, but it seems has good feedback on the keys. I like it, and the keys aren't that loud either. So if I'm typing, they're not that loud at all. I like the design. It'd be interesting to use. So again, this is the K800 wireless illuminated keyboard from Logitech. And remember, if you like these unboxing videos, make sure you subscribe. And if you like this video, hit the like button at the bottom. Catch you guys later.